No, I just think that overturning it now on a temporary basis, undoing the injunction that was granted in Seattle, would cause chaos. I think the government, when it ordered the airports to let people in and to act as if there was no order in effect, sealed their own fate, because you're not going to get a court to undo that and then have to undo it again if they come to a different decision. So I think the Trump administration will lose the initial battle about the stay, but I think they may very well win ultimately when it gets to the Supreme Court. I do not believe that this order constitutes a violation of the Establishment Clause of the Constitution. The fact that they picked 7 Muslim states, those are the states that have high levels of terrorism. We're talking about Islamic terrorism. What did they have to do? Throw in Armenia or Israel in order to satisfy the Constitution? That's absurd. And then they exempted minority religions. Well, that makes a lot of sense. In 1945, the government passed a statute for the War Refugee Act, which was focused exclusively on Jews because Jews were the victims of the Holocaust. So when you focus on real victims or real perpetrators and the impact is heavily on one particular religion, that doesn't create a constitutional problem. So I think that the Trump administration will ultimately win on that issue, at least as it relates to people who have never been in the United States.